What's up, guys? It's your man ThaBlackCobra back once again. Today I got a really quick video. I just want to talk about the memory capabilities of the Xbox Series X. Let's talk about it. Let's go. So I was thinking about the Series X and what it can do. This 1 terabyte expansion slot, trying to figure out exactly what else I can do since I finally got my hands on the box. I figured something out, so I just grabbed my phone real quick and set it up so I can just talk to you about it. I just want to tell you what I just discovered, okay? Because I was so excited about the fact that there was a possibility. I'm just gonna show you what I recorded real quick. Here we go. Here it goes, I'm testing. So I already have a 5 terabyte drive connected to my Xbox One X for game captures. But when you do it for game captures, you can't do it for game backups and things. It's formatted differently. So now I'm about to connect a 4 terabyte powered external drive and see if it'll recognize both. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. All right, so let's see here. I can find this with one hand. Okay, I heard it. Now, keep in mind, I had this was already formatted for my One X. So, oh boy, it doesn't look like it's, oh, wait, external, oh, Xbox One. Okay, it recognized the hard drive. So let me see if I can actually do game saves on it, if I can access it. Okay, it's asking me, check for updates. Okay, yes, we want to enable that. If you go to manage, storage devices. Oh, okay. So, looks like it'll let you do that. Let me flip. Okay, so there it is. I'm in storage and I'm looking at it. I just want to do a quick video because I was unsure because they have the Xbox 1 terabyte expansion. Now, what I'm guessing is that expansion slot is expand the internal memory, because you know there's always certain things that need the internal memory to work. They don't quite work well off of external. So maybe that's why the expansion slot is there. But if you look, I have two external hard drives connected. One is the bottom one here is from my Xbox One X that I had it on before. It's already formatted for game saves. I have a bunch of game saves and stuff like that on it. Then this one is formatted so I could do game capture on it. So it's formatted differently. I can still unplug it and pop it in my computer and then pull the game footage, the gameplay right off of that. And then the internal. So that's exciting to me because that means that it's not just what they talked about. It's not just that 1 terabyte expansion, because I was already working off a 3 terabyte before and I was like, just 1 terabyte and that's all they're gonna sell? It didn't seem right. So this makes me a lot happier, and I haven't utilized everything yet, so we'll see, but it's looking really good, real good. Like I can have all the storage I want pretty much, but I wasn't really all in on the all digital stuff. I'm a tangible kind of person. I want to touch the game. I want to hold the game. Plus, I've always felt like, you know, we never have quite enough storage. And that's how I always felt. But with this, knowing that I can just plug up a bunch of drives, I could actually just pull the drive out, put another 5 terabyte in there. So, I mean, my storage is like exponential, and I'm loving that. Loving that. So good job, Microsoft. Good job. So that's it. That's all I got. I just wanted to make sure you were clued in to what I just discovered. And most of you probably already knew it. We suspected it. But that whole 1 terabyte storage, external expansion storage slot, yeah, that whole thing confused me, like I said. So now I know that I can do what I can do. Now that I know that, you know, I can go ahead and connect all these drives, like I said, I can plug it up, take it out, plug it up another one, take it out, fill up another one, take it out. So I'm all set. We're all set when it comes to storage on the Xbox Series X. So if you got your hands on one too, it is time to be excited about this system. That's all I got for y'all. If you like it, please like, subscribe, come back, hit the bell, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep gaming, enjoy your gadgets and your gear. Peace. And I'm out.